Hi guys, and welcome to another video for today, the 10th of July 2026. So, we've got a couple more stocks to look at for today, how we're going to day trade them, how we're going to hold them overnight into Monday and be profitable, have some good big wins, as well as potentially swing them into the rest of the week next week. Maybe this time next week, Friday, we could be in a decent position. So, we're going to start here with JZXN on this one, just here. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, we need a 1 minute green candle close over 3.5 in this one for at least 10% move from entry, or a 2-3% push over 3.5 for an entry in this one. Consolidating really nicely on the 5-minute time frame. Basically a nice falling wedge pattern, 3 touches on this side. Only 2 touches on this side, so it needs another touch here, which I'm sure we'll get. And once that happens, we break 3.5 as discussed. It should move at least 10% from entry and gradually continue towards 4.8 on this one. Looks quite good. However, though, if we lose 2.1 on this, I consider this stock to be done if we lose 2.1. So yeah, around 30% drop from here, and basically just failing a double bottom, with your first bottom being here, your second bottom being here, and also losing the support. Would see as just basically be done. I wouldn't want to be in this for a day trade or a swing trade or anything, just completely at all. If we were to lose 2.1 in this, but yeah, it looks okay. If we get over 3.5, it looks good, guys. So let's go in the 4-hour time frame there and see what we need to hold this overnight into Monday. So, excuse me, a 4-hour green candle close over 3.5 by end of today 4 p.m. Eastern time. Should see us continue towards 4.8 on this one for a first target of around 25% from entry, 25-30% from entry, which looks good. And then we'll be focusing on 6.5 after that. But let's just go one step at a time. This one looks really good, the best one I've looked at today. If we get a 4-hour green candle close over 3.5 on this one, looks good, guys. In the daily time frame, let's just go here real quick. So a daily green candle close over 3.5 would also guarantee us to come towards 4.85 for a first target of, again, around 25-30% from entry. Looks good, and we should wick beyond there. So I'd sell some more around, I'd go 6. I wouldn't go 6.5, I'd go 6. So yeah, you can sell 50% maybe at the first target, around 25-30%, then sell 40% higher, around like 60%. So it is good. It's good little trade here if we do get a 4-hour or daily candle close over 3.5. Remember, beneath 2.1 is no good in this one. So that's JZXN, and then just have a look at ELAB real quick now on the 5-minute, the 4-hour, and the daily. So this one is a bit low in volume. However, I'm going to keep an eye on this power hour. I think this is like the sort of stock which can just shoot up, as I'm sure we've seen many times before. It's a previous runner, notorious one as well, ELAB. So yeah, we're going to put everything in the big falling wedge pattern here, and then wait for a 2-3% push over 1.65 or 1 minute green candle close over 1.65 on this one, as it looks pretty good, and it should run at least 6% from entry, only for a scalp, this one. But if you want pro tip, look for a 6 to 6.5% first target, enter a 15% of your account, work out what that makes. That's your daily goal. Times it by 4, that's your weekly goal. Times that by 4, that's your monthly goal. Times that by 12, that's your yearly goal. So that's a bit of risk management there, insight to my trading plan as well. So yeah, over 1.65 on this looks good. However, if we were to lose 1.25 on this one, I would consider it to be done, to be honest. Doesn't look very good beneath 1.25. Here, let's go on the 4-hour and see what we need. It's pretty clear and simple on this. 4-hour green candle close over 1.65 on this. Should see us push towards 2. Looks good, pretty simple. I'd probably just hold it for 2, to be honest, for around a 15-20% sort of move. Just call it 15% move from entry. So just a basic little swing trade going on. If we get a 4-hour green candle close of 1.65, we should continue towards 2, and I'm willing to hold it until 2, to be honest. I'll look to trade this one. Looks good. And then we go on the daily. Just bear with me as I zoom in. I'm very rough today, guys. Went out last night, a different city. It wasn't even that good. But anyway, 1.65 daily candle close over 1.65. We'll just see us hit 2, and then we can focus maybe on selling some more around 2.3. More of just I just look for a 15% first target for like a swing trade over 2 days or something on this one. If you get a 4-hour green candle close over 1.65, it's a daily just basically exaggerates it to us. On the top of the Bollinger Band is here, around 1.57, 1.59. So once you break beyond there, an explosive move should come up, which should bring us towards 2. As 95% of price action takes place in this navy line here at the top, I'm highlighting right now, and this navy line here at the bottom. So if you spend 95% of your life somewhere, you might get that thrill of when we finally leave the comfort zone. And I can't believe any shoot up towards $2 like this stock on ELAB can do. So yeah, that's stock for you. So yeah, ELAB and JZXN. This one looks quite good for a swing trade if you get a 4-hour. We're going to close over 1.65. So we're going to do another video for tomorrow as well over the weekend to keep us occupied. And I'm going to end it here, guys. I'm going to catch some rest as I'm destroyed. And yeah, catch you soon. Check us out. Link in the description. Twitter bio for live trading, trade reviews, seminar package, everything. We've got options, swing trading, everything. So check us out. Link in the description and the Twitter bio. Have a great weekend and catch you all soon.